Let's get it back. Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of this ultimate comfort without pulling. This is the Philips nose trimmer NT1000 and this is fully washable. Now that's great, so you can check some of the specification here with a protective guard system to protect your nose from trimming those annoying hair from your nose and from your ears. And this is powered by a AA battery. This is a really interesting product, so let's open it up and check closely the product itself. So let's open it up from the top here. We have to unfold this as it seems, but we don't have any time for it, so let's cut it clean and open this box with the least professional way that we can. There are two seals here, but we just open it up by cutting the cardboard top of it, something like that, and we have it opened. So let's make some room here, and here we have the internal box. And okay, this is the device. Now this seems like it's already open, but I guess this is just bad packaging. We just have to take this out. And here we have a tag that shows that this can be opened and we can remove it. And okay, here's the edge of the blade. We have an open and on-off switch, I guess. Okay, here we have the battery compartment. Now this is a really simple way of turning it on and off. Now before testing this, you just have to remove the tag. This is the washable blade. Okay, so there goes the tag, and here's the internal motor. Now, as it is said here, this is totally washable, so let's check what else is in the box. Okay, sorry for that, we are here with the unboxing from another place. We were unboxing this nose trimmer by Philips, so this is quite nice. And before testing this one, let's check the manual here in the box. It's also a tag. Okay, now first we have this, what it seems to be your warranty. There's an international warranty here, and I guess you can check this in various languages. And as you can see here, this might be an extended warranty because there's too much on it. I don't know. It is forth and back. This leaflet has everything you need to know. Just visit the Philips website and check their warranty policies. It is really important to know that you might be having a replacement product if your own fails during the warranty period. Now we have to check the manual, but as it seems in the box we also have a battery. Now let us take it off. Okay, here's the AA battery by Philips, and there is nothing else in the box. We just have to get rid of this. Now let's install the battery here, and it is quite simple. You just enter the battery here. Just make sure using the right pole to be inserted correctly. It is inserted like that, and we just have to place the cap on top of it, and we have power. As you can notice, the blades cannot be spotted. They have this protective grill, and that prevents you from getting hurt. And opening this placement here can be cleaned when it's full of hair. You can actually wash them out. Now you just have to be careful when you are placing it back into place, and it seems to be working just fine. This must be the user manual in different languages. You'll find your native speaking one, and you should read this for the proper usage and cleaning routine and everything important, from replacing the batteries and the things that you should do to keep your trimmer clean and avoid any probable defects from wrong usage, ensuring that way the longevity of your device and your satisfaction with it. Now, given this product comes with a warranty, you just have to make sure that from your part you should make everything that's needed to get the most out of your warranty active and getting the most out of this device by Philips. I don't have any gripe for this one. It's very great. It seems really potent to cut any excess hair from nose or ear while avoiding any type of cuts with this blade. I would love to have some interchangeable heads for facial hair, but this is still great. It's still only a trimmer. So this was the unboxing of this Philips trimmer. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from Adex Tech, thank you for watching.